I was born to be a 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 legend, blessing ears through my verses. Got a gun in my slot, just these rhymes that I pop. Just these rhymes that I pop. No introduction, you know who's coming. I've been struggling, but the fans be motherfucking coming. Like Goku, I got a spirit bomb. I need all of your energies, cause the government won't stop coming. Why they always up to something? Well, goddamn, I'm the fucking man, 19 years old with a motherfucking plan. Don't give up. Nah, don't give up. Nah, don't give up. Why you always on that flow, girl? This the second time. Grab my hand to Wonderland, we go. This dark will never fade. This light will never fade. Don't be afraid. I'm Jodine, here to save your motherfucking heart. We spark up in the fucking night. Moon shining and the fucking sun come out. That's Eclipse, Jodine, reppin' shit. Everybody in my motherfucking gang getting lit. Well, I ain't no fucking gang, I don't need a motherfucking gang bang, but that's alright, I'm still on a motherfucking mic killing shit, and I kill every verse I fucking spit. It's about to be my year, man, 2016 coming for me. Yeah, hope I do what I want in the future, and I don't give up on rapping. I stay to my true self, enlightened when I spit everything. Psychedelics, they help me find what I want in this life. It's so fucking hard. The government, man, they kicking my ass. I just play that chess, that musical I rap in every state, man. I know I'm trying to just make the fans win. We all winning for the peace that we lay. I really love Trip Fam, and that's my fucking play. I play them niggas all the time. Damn, they got some ill rhymes. Fuck, that shit incredible. First time I was listening to CJ Top Off. Got some shrooms from Trez. Damn, that's my nigga. I hope he win. Everybody winning. Texas, purple getting hit. Damn, we flexing. Got a fish in Lexus. Dreaming on my Porsche. Dreams of riding in a Porsche. I just wanna ride in a Porsche and give back to my city. Tripping worth getting it. A1G reppin'. Damn, I miss all my brothers. I know I've been struggling, but Jodine is coming. He's a demigod. Could be mad on the track or just spit them ill tracks. That's real facts. That's real facts. Jordan.